Skincare products are filled with weird ingredients. Snake oils like seaweed extract, botanical extracts, honey, vitamins, essential oils, even gold. Preservatives like parabens, benzalkonium chloride, formaldehyde releasers, emulsifiers, fragrance, and dyes. But what if there's an ingredient that is so common that is literally like water, that is far more problematic than all of these ingredients combined? Dr. Yuval, Bibi, Dermatologist, mission: get you out of the skincare matrix, empowering you to finally allow your skin to work for you rather than you working for the skincare industry. So what is the ingredient that is so terrible, so horrible that you must stay away from? The ingredient is, you guessed it, water. Now, before you change the dial thinking this is some sort of a crazy mistake, consider the following. Water is the most common ingredient in skincare. It is found in upwards of 99% of skincare products. Even in some ointments, which are supposed to be oil-based, like CeraVe Healing Ointment and CeraVe Baby Ointment. Water is obviously abundant and cheap, making it very easy to transport, utilize, and work with to make skincare products. But water is a very challenging mistress as well, and herein lies the problem. First, despite the title of the movie, water is shapeless. That means that it immediately and by default requires other compounds incorporated into it to give it shape and give it a texture, specifically texturizers, oils, and emulsifiers to create a proper product. Any one of these ingredients incorporated into the water is a potential pitfall for side effects, not to mention unknown effects on the microbiome and skin biology in many cases. Second, with the dissolved organic compounds as described above, water makes an ideal hotbed growth medium for microbial life, specifically bacteria, fungi, yeast, and other organisms, which immediately and by default requires any water-based product to contain preservatives, specifically parabens or the formaldehyde releasers such as the Quaternarium series, and even vitamin E, which many believe is added to products as some sort of a nutritional benefit asset, is actually added to products as a preservative. Third, water-based products require many experienced enhancers because of the qualities of water. So water-based products will often contain dyes and fragrance, both of which categories must be added in staggering numbers to create that perfect blend for the user to love the product and keep on using it. All these additives into a typical water-based product further increase the risk of side effects to the product and dilute the main ingredient which is supposed to provide benefit, which is the water, on which we'll touch base immediately. Next, and this is huge, water-based products are fundamentally very unstable because of the nature of water. The nature of water is to evaporate, dissipate, become soaked up into the skin, leaving you high and dry with all those beautiful ingredients that made the product experience phenomenal, yet have nothing to do with moisturizing the skin, remaining on your skin, breaking apart, and interacting with the local environment to create God knows what conditions and downstream side effects. That in and of itself makes water-based leave-on of very little benefit up front and significant potential downsides on the back end, which is a very steep price to pay for such a meager payoff. In essence, water-based products are the ultimate synthetic products, incorporating a bag of chemical engineering and biochemical trickery to create a beautiful customer experience with a product that is essentially nothing more than a theater prop, pretending to be adding value while in reality providing very little benefit. So when it comes to water-based products, do your best to stay away from the leave-ons, the lotions, the creams, the serums, even some of the balms and the ointments. Check your ingredient list at the back of the package and go for minimalist, oil-based products that are going to serve your skin best interests far better than the water-based variety. Let me know in the comment section how you found this video helpful. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.